The masterpiece of pool. The finest high-quality pool table revealed. Step into a world where precision meets elegance, where every shot is an art form and every game a masterpiece. Welcome to the realm of high-quality pool tables, where craftsmanship and design unite to create an unparalleled playing experience. In this video, we unveil the finest specimen that has ever graced the billiards industry, a pool table so extraordinary that it will leave you in awe of its beauty and performance. Get ready to embark on a journey through the realms of luxury and skill as we reveal the secrets behind this mesmerizing work of art. Number 1. Easiest to store. GoSports Portable Pool Table. If you don't have a dedicated area to permanently place your pool table, this mid-size table with folding legs could be a viable option. It's light enough to pick up and stow away, but sturdy enough to support spirited gameplay. It's also available in other colors and size options. Has adjustable leg levers for stability on different surfaces. Many customers were impressed with the portability and stability of this pool table, stating that it felt sturdy during gameplay and was light enough to move with someone else's help. What we like: large playing surface, long warranty, felt brush included, durable design, sturdy frame, easy to level. What we don't like: heavy, has mesh pockets instead of durable, stylish leather ones. Number 2. Best full-size. Barrington Billiards Billiard Table Set. The best option for serious pool players in this review. This billiard table set comes in a full 90-inch length for competitive gameplay. It features K818 bumper guards around the edges to provide consistent ball bounce while you're playing. The majority of users who reviewed this premium full-size billiards table agreed that it was a high-quality table that felt luxurious. They also said that the table was flat and smooth, and close to regulation size, allowing for consistent gameplay. Critically, some customers said that the assembly process was arduous, and others complained about the pool cues warping easily. What we like: has classic drop pockets for an authentic look, has a scratch-resistant rail coating on the perimeter of the table. The tricot polyester felt ensures a smooth rolling surface. What we don't like: the table is heavy at 260 pounds, requiring multiple people to move it safely. Is the most expensive pool table in this review. Number 3. Most versatile. Spartan Multigame Table. This 6-foot table is sized to fit in a small space with extra room to move around the sides. You can affix the included ping-pong surface to the table if you need a break from shooting. With 2 gaming surfaces and all of their necessary accessories, this affordable table is a steal. Although customers found this combination game table to be heavy, they said that this made it sturdy. The table's small size was a point of contention for some users, but most found it to be useful in maximizing a small game room. What we like: has a durable poly-sealed playing surface, can switch to the ping-pong board in seconds, includes all of the accessories for both games. What we don't like: takes some effort and time to switch the games, not the sturdiest surface for spirited table tennis games. Number 4. Best mid-size. Mizrac Billiard Table. This 6.5-foot pool table has several clever design features, including adjustable leg levelers and an automatic ball return system. It's made from affordable and fairly durable materials with plastic legs, corners, and pockets, a nylon playing surface, and a fiberboard frame. Easy assembly, lightweight, and solid build were consistent highlights in many positive customer reviews. Users added that the pool table played like a full-size table, without taking up as much space. However, some customers didn't receive all of the parts to build the table. What we like: has a built-in ball return feature, has a classic look with a green felt-like playing surface, uses rubber cushions around the perimeter of the surface for bounce. What we don't like: has plastic corners, pockets, and legs, made from MDF fiberboard instead of real wood. Number 5. Best Miniature. Hey, play. Mini tabletop pool set. With no assembly required, this novelty pool table is easy to take on the go or teach your kids with. The table comes with appropriately sized balls, cues, and chalk, and weighs less than 6 pounds for effortless transport. Your purchase also includes a miniature brush and rack. Happy customers found this portable pool table to be easy to use. They included that it was made with nice materials, making them confident that it would last several years if they properly cared for it. Alternatively, Some users were upset with how easily the cues broke. Others didn't receive all of the balls. What we like. Acts as a novelty game for kids or parties. Weighs less than 6 pounds if you want to bring it on a trip or to a friend's house. Includes mini versions of all of the accessories you would find with a full-size table. What we don't like. May be difficult for adults to handle the small balls and cues. Doesn't replicate a true pool experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.